Well, what we're going to do is, again, we're waiting for this one to cure. This is our big Mount Everest. One. But behind us, we have our little one. Go ahead and hit it, Samuel. There you go.
Oh, look at that.
So what I did is I've already done the transparencies, and these are our smaller mountains that I've already cured. So they're foot high.
The whole mountain range.
It is. It's going to look awesome.
Wow.
So what he's doing, he's blowing it up to 4 foot. They're going to trace it out with a Sharpie marker. We're going to cut it with the heart knife, and that's going to be our first mountain.
Wow. Perfect.
I'm ready to go hiking.
You can move your projector closer or farther from your phone to make your mountains bigger or smaller to fit your space. It also helps to turn off the lights so you can see your projected image better. And don't forget to tape your transparency down so it doesn't move. Look at our massive mountain. Make yours bigger or smaller to fit your church. Make sure you have some help lifting it up. You don't want it to bend or break as you move it around. You're moving mountains, you know. Make sure you save any extra pieces you cut off. They could easily be an extra rock or mountain. Nothing goes to waste around here.
Now that's wacky!